Hello friends, let's solve Google Kickstart round D. Second question, Alien's piano. So here Alien want to take our music with them and they have only 4 keys. So they have to convert our music into their music using these 3 rules. If the next pitch is higher, then it has to increase. Otherwise they have to decrease, and if it is same, then keep it same. So let's say this is the given example. So this is kind of piano pitch, and let me change the color. Okay, so this is all numbers like 189. This is our music keys or patch, and aliens have only 4 patches, A B C D, so they have to convert this. So first is A, second is increasing, so there is B, and then C, and look, 9 to 7 it decreased, so it is come down, again decreased, then it come down to B, and then it come to A. And now here is the thing, it decreased from 5 to 4, so it has to go down, but we are already at the last point A, so we have to break the rules and start the new cycle here at D, and then it is, this is the break, that is our answer. Then again go to 3, and then it decreased to 2 and 1, and now we are at the lowest point, but the next point is higher from 1 to 3, so we can go up. So that is correct, and then go down and go down, and now again 1 to 3, again we can go up like this. So there is only one break, and that is our answer. So we have to find out number of breaks. So here look, A B C D, and then it is decrease, so we can go down C or B or A, anything. So it is a 0 breaks here, A and then B and then C D. Now here is the thing, we have to go up, but we are already at D, so we have to break it and go again down. So now A, B, C and D. So let's solve this. We can simply use a range, a pair of integers, and our key should be between it. So let's say our test case is, and for integer I is 0 less than t, we have to print out this sample line. So we can solve this using pairs. We can use dynamic programming also, but I solved using pairs. So let's say our function void solve. First is a n, then we have a vector of integers. Let's say call v, and it has n keys. So we have to take the input of all n. Now let's say we have a pair of integers, called it range, and it has between 1 and 4, 1 2 3 or 4, between 1 and 4. So let's say count is number of breaks. So we go through the entire keys and we check if our jth element is bigger than is next, then we increment the first, and the second will be remain same. Else if it is less than, then first will remain same and second will decrease by 1. And like this, and else it is continue, like if it is same, then we do no changes. After that we have to check if range first is bigger than the second, means we have a break in our loop. So we increment our counter and set the range to the original 1 and 4, and then we have to print out value of count. And okay, I make a mistake here, like we have to start from j equal to 1, and we have to compare in a back way, like every j should be less greater than its previous value or less than the previous value. So let's copy our code and okay, this is correct. Let's copy and paste here and submit our code. We are just using pairs to say whenever our first is greater than second, then it is a break in our loop. And here we get answers submitted and successfully accepted. So thank you for watching guys, and code will be in the description link.